Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In today's video, I will show you how to always open Microsoft Edge in guest mode on Windows 11 or Windows 10. If you want Edge to open directly in the guest mode every time, this method will help you browse privately without saving history, cookies or any personal data. So let's get started. First, close Microsoft Edge if it is already open. After that, click on the start button and then search for Edge. In the search results, right click on the Microsoft Edge and choose here open file location. Here you will find a shortcut of the Microsoft Edge. Copy it by selecting and pressing Ctrl+C key on the keyboard. After that, paste it in the desktop. Now go to your desktop and locate the Microsoft Edge shortcut and right click on it. Select here properties option. Properties in the properties window, make sure you are in the shortcut tab. Here you will see a field named target. Put your cursor under target. Go to the extreme right, put one space, hyphen, again hyphen, and then type here guest. After that, click on the apply and then OK button. That's it. Now whenever you open Microsoft Edge using this one shortcut, it will always start in guest mode. You will see guest in the top right corner, which confirms that you are browsing without your profile. In this mode, Edge will not save your browsing history, cookies or site data after closing the window. If you want to open Edge normally, you can still use the original shortcut or open it from a start menu. This is simple and effective way to ensure private browsing every time you open Edge. So that's how you can always open Microsoft Edge in guest mode on Windows 11 or Windows 10. If you want, you can also pin this one shortcut to the taskbar. For that, select it, right click and then here choose option pin to taskbar. From now onwards, clicking on this one shortcut will always open guest mode in Edge browser. That's all about this video. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to GearUpWindows. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.